Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this time, I will show you how to using uh, Kahoot, especially how to make a quiz by using Kahoot. But first is make sure that you have an internet connection, of course, and then go to Firefox or Google Chrome. By this time, I will using Firefox. Then in the type and login, type kahoot.com. And then tap the login. And the next is if you doesn't have an account, you can tap this sign up. But if you already have an account, you can use you can log in with a Google account or with Microsoft account. But this time I will log in with my Kahoot account. Well, when you want to make a new quiz, just tap this create and then tap create new Kahoot. And then next is what we should do is we have to give our questions title. So you have to give the title for your questions. For example, like grammar. And then next, you have to give the description for your questions, like grammar, English grammar, simple past tense, for example. And then the language, you can change the language. Of course, this is English. And then the feasibility, you can choose only you or everyone, but this time I will use everyone. And then done. So guys, next is typing your questions. For example, like I blah 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 in this sofa with him. And then you can drag on and drop your image, the image from your computer. You can also choose from the image library, or you can upload the image for you to play, but I will took from the image library. Yes. And then you can set the size, original, and then don't forget to set the time limit. I will choose 10 seconds, and then add the answer, of course. First answer is sleeping, and the second answer is sleep, and then sleep, and then the last answer is sleep. Okay. Don't forget to make sure that you uh, check the right answer, then click this one. So and then next is tap the done. The code is ready to be played. uh, so I think that's all from me. Thank you.